get hooked on to fantastic rayon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unboxing the Smash's Big Light Up Dinosaur Egg. And it also has a button over here that I would like to show you guys. And this is the back. Let's do this the old-fashioned way. So collect them all. These are the guides, and this is how you build the egg back. Now let's see what this is. And then put it back and then just put it in. So this is the way for building the dinosaur. And this is the map, I believe, to do. So we got the color change sand, and we got these little smashies and fizzing lava, light up dino, stretch foam, lava slime, and a base thingy. So we have to do the color change sand. So now let's take this out. Whoa! Wow, this just feels like Play-Doh. What the? Oh my god.
What you found in there?
Okay. Found a piece of like a dino leg or something. Look at this. They're now changing back to orange. This is so cool. Look, it just changed color to orange to yellow. Now let's scratch this. Do you love dinosaurs? I don't. I don't even know what that means. But anyway, let's see what's in here. Of course it is international lava slime. Ooh, should I pour it? We're starting from the bottom. Oh, like digging this. Oh no. Let's get this all out. Oh no. No. Good we didn't do this, when he came in. Oh no. How much Volca do you know? I think it's this one that's gonna be it. Let's see. It's like the little scratches that we get from the lottery. No way, I guessed it. Let's go do this. Listen now. Big one is coming in a foot. Alright.
A little bit water.
A little bit more, just a little bit more. So then we can. Then we got to run backwards from backwards from that.
A little more.
A little bit more. Okay. No. It's fizzing. Nice.
What'd you find?
Oh, what I found. There was blood in here. What I found. So number 4 over here, he's heading in the right direction. I think it's going to be this one. I got it right. I got it right. Yeah, you were. Alright, look what it is. What it looks like. Okay. Alright. Those heads are not that normal. Those heads are not that normal because they're right now. Wow, look at this, how it feels. Feels
Good.
like a pillow. Like a pillow willow.
Oh, this is nice.
Get this out of you. Here, you'll be free.
What did you get?
Got a head.
Scratch the last one.
Let's scratch this. Everyone's a body for a pet dinosaur. I think it's this one. If I do this, if I guess it right, the person that's washing is gonna win the lottery today. No way! I got it correct. You guys are gonna win the lottery. If you see any $1 million going to your account, don't say it was just me. Right. If I was wrong, you're gonna win the food lottery. Wow. Look, it's glowing, guys.